Make sure to stay until then. We'll explain how a bad ignition coil can slowly destroy your engine, exhaust system as well, catalytic converters, and can practically lead to an accident too. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger. If you guys have a Dodge Charger and you want to know what are the symptoms of bad ignition coil, how it can affect your car, how driving with bad ignition coil can practically destroy your engine in the long run, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today, and we'll explain why it's super important to replace it on time and not to wait for later, because first it can destroy your engine, second it can lead to accidents. We'll talk why. But practically some people will drive with bad ignition coil for quite a while, and that can have big consequences. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make, guys, at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that Dodge Charger we'll have even more. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos, absolutely free. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Charger or any car, you want to get them at a good price and quick shipping, you want to save money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and we'll share where you can find even additional things. So what we have specifically here, this is a 2018 Dodge. This is, guys, a 3.6 engine. That's quite common on Dodge, on Dodge Chargers here that we work quite a bit lately. And we're going to remove one ignition coil. This is specifically the V6 engine, but even if you have a V8, it will be, the symptoms will be about the same. Some of the V8s have the double coil, like 2 spark plugs per cylinder. And if you look right here, that's your ignition coil, guys. You have 6 ignition coils, 1, 2, 3 on one cylinder head, 1, 2, 3 on another cylinder head. The purpose of the coil is to ignite, practically to give spark to the spark plug, enough electricity for the spark plug to produce spark, and the spark plug will ignite the fuel. So if you have a bad ignition coil, what will happen at that point? You will, guys, develop misfire on that certain cylinder. It means the cylinder will not be firing. And now on a V6 engine, instead of having 6 cylinders that work correctly, you will have 5 that work correctly and 1 that will be counter working, guys. What that means, it means that it will be kind of like a brake for the engine, because first it's not firing, so it doesn't produce power, and second it's building compression, so it's kind of like an air compressor. It's slowing things down. And that can, if you keep driving that way for a long time, can lead to multiple problems. One, when the ignition coil is bad, the engine in some cases will still keep spraying fuel. That fuel will lead to being put in the exhaust without burning, and it will burn through the catalytic converters, which will increase the temperature, and it can destroy your catalytic converters and oxygen sensors. That's thousands of dollars in repairs right there, guys. Number 2, that fuel can go around the piston rings eventually, and it will dilute your engine oil. When it dilutes the engine oil will not lubricate. You can mess up bearings, main bearings, rod bearings, cylinder heads, multiple things can go bad. In addition, that fuel that's in the cylinder without burning will keep washing the oil off the cylinder wall. That will eventually put somewhere on the cylinder. We had a Ford Edge, that people drove it with misfire for quite a while. And the compression on that specific cylinder was half of what it was on the other cylinders, because the engine was warm practically, that cylinder. Next, it will make the engine unstable. That could lead to dying, and eventually that can get in an accident too, because you will not be able to trust your engine. Something else, if that ignition coil is bad, I talked that this cylinder specifically will be kind of like a brake for the engine, so that will unbalance the engine, and that can put stress on main bearings and on connecting rod bearings too, and that can, guys, cause bearings to fail, especially main bearings. So definitely important to take care of that problem, otherwise it can slowly destroy your Dodge Charger engine. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you guys needing help with that. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.